The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal is a rugged smartphone designed for extreme environments and demanding users. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. For pros: extreme durability, IP68/IP69K and MIL STD 810H ratings make it incredibly robust and suitable for harsh environments. Integrated thermal camera, a significant specialized feature for professionals, e.g., electricians, plumbers, outdoor enthusiasts with decent resolution. Powerful performance, Dimensity 9300 Plus with 16 GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage offers flagship-level speed and responsiveness. Massive battery and ultra-fast charging, 10,600 mAh battery provides extended usage complemented by 120W wired and 50W wireless charging. High-quality main display, large, bright, up to 2,200 nits peak, 120Hz AMOLED main screen. Dual-screen functionality, the secondary rear AMOLED display is unique and useful for quick info, selfies with the main camera, and controls. For the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal is a rugged smartphone designed for extreme environments and demanding users. Here's a detailed breakdown of its specifications, pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal detailed specifications. Processor, MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus octa-core, 1x 3.4 GHz Cortex, X4, 3x 2.85 GHz Cortex, X4, 4x 2.0 GHz Cortex, A720. 4 nanometers process. GPU, Immortalis G720MC12. RAM, 16 GB LPDDR5X, up to 32 GB with 16 GB virtual RAM expansion. Storage, 1 TB UFS 4.0 expandable via microSD-XC up to 2 TB. Main display, 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED, 1080 by 2400 pixels FHD+, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, up to 900 nits HBM 2200 nits peak brightness. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Secondary display, 1.04-inch AMOLED circular display on the back, 340 by 340 pixels, 60Hz refresh rate. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Rear camera system. Main 50MP f/1.9 1.0-inch type sensor Sony IMX989 1.6M dual pixel PDAF OIS. Night vision 64MP f/1.8 1/2 sensor 0.7M for infrared lights Night Elf Ultra 3.0 algorithm. Ultra-wide, 50MP f/2.2, 117 degrees FOV, January 2nd, 76-inch sensor, 0.64M. Thermal camera, 0.3MP 256 by 192px native resolution enhance. Excellent main camera, the 50MP sensor 1-inch type Sony IMX989 promises high-quality photos especially in low light. Dedicated night vision camera, 64MP sensor with 4 IR LEDs provides impressive black and white visibility in complete darkness. High-res ultra-wide camera, a 50MP ultra-wide is uncommon and offers good detail for wider shots. Ample storage, 1 TB internal storage is generous plus microSD expansion. Modern connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5G, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 with DisplayPort. Toolbox features, AI Toolbox and USmart 2.0 accessory connector add practical utility. 3.5mm headphone jack, a welcome inclusion for many users. For cons, extremely heavy and bulky. At 450 grams and nearly 2 centimeters thick, it's significantly larger and heavier than conventional smartphones, which can be tiring for daily carry. Thermal camera resolution, while enhanced to 640 by 512, the native resolution of 256 by 192 pixels is still relatively low compared to dedicated thermal imaging devices. Software quirks/updates. Some users report initial software glitches, e.g., Android 14 instead of advertised 15, unremovable home screen apps, ghosting when moving apps, and concerns about long-term software support from rugged phone brands. Camera processing. Reports of warmer skin tones and images appearing darker than on-screen previews suggest processing issues that might need software refinement. Vibration motor. The vibration motor is described as subpar and slow. Niche appeal. Its rugged design and specialized features make it appealing to a specific audience, but less so for the general consumer. Price. While offering a lot, the price point might be high for a Ulefone device. Front camera. While 50MP, its actual quality in real-world scenarios might not match the raw pixel count. Overall conclusion. The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal is a beast of a smartphone, pushing the boundaries of rugged device capabilities. Its standout special features are the integrated thermal imaging camera and its extreme IP69K/MIL STD 810H durability, making it ideal for professionals and adventurers who require a phone that can withstand anything. The combination of a top-tier Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, a massive battery with ultra-fast charging, wired and wireless, a stunning main AMOLED display, and a versatile multi-camera system, including an excellent night vision camera and a surprisingly high-res main sensor, makes it a technical powerhouse. However, its immense weight and bulk are significant trade-offs for its ruggedness and large battery. While feature-packed, potential software inconsistencies and the actual real-world performance of some features, like the thermal camera's effective resolution, need to be considered. For users who absolutely need a highly durable device with advanced thermal imaging and other specialized tools, the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal presents an incredibly compelling package. For the average smartphone user, its size, weight, and some software quirks might be too much to overlook, despite its impressive raw specifications.